Hi, I'm Rajiv, part of the Teams team here at Microsoft, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's so important to have a fast and simple way to access your company tools and resources, especially for frontline workers. With Viva Connections, frontline workers and managers can quickly orient themselves to their day's work, know what's most important, and take key actions, all from a single place right in Microsoft Teams. Viva Connections is customized to your company's brand, so I'll show you how I access and use the Fabricam app for a manufacturing company. This has the company logo and branding for my company, but it might look different for you based on the company you work for. There are three key tabs in Viva Connections: Dashboard, Feed, and Resources. Let's start with the dashboard. Dashboard is an easy home experience that surfaces information through adaptive cards. These include built-in cards for frontline relevant apps like shifts, tasks, and approvals, as well as the other tools your company uses. Now, this could include other Viva apps like Viva Learning or Viva Insights, or custom cards your company has set up for frequently used resources. So let's get started with my day at Fabricam as a frontline worker. I can start my day viewing top news, an easy way to keep in touch with the rest of the company. So I see here there's new safety guidelines to review, so I can just tap on the card and quickly review those right within my app. Now, when my shift has started, I can click in to see the details of my shift, including any notes to be aware of, or who else is on shift with me. If I go back to the home screen, I can also check out the tasks I've been assigned for today. It looks like there's one urgent task to complete my daily inspection. Now, the dashboard makes this easy, as I can easily find and fill out the inspection form right within Teams using the adaptive card that my company has set up. So let's say I go through and complete this inspection form from my dashboard. Now I can go back to tasks and mark that as complete. And since I've already reviewed those updated safety guidelines earlier, I can mark that task complete as well. So now that I've caught up on my key actions, I can get started with the rest of my shift. Another great way to keep in touch with my coworkers and the latest company announcements is through the feed. So I see a cool post here about a new product that we just launched. So I can interact with this post by liking it or by leaving a comment. I can even share this post to make sure the rest of my team sees it, or bookmark it to save it for later. And the last tab in Viva Connections is Resources. This is where I can go to easily access company resources and important documents without ever leaving Teams. So let's say I want to check out the latest design ideas submitted by others at my company. I can find that quickly in the Resources tab and open it right within my app. This is a really helpful way to quickly find any other company resources I might need throughout my busy day as a frontline worker. And that's a quick overview of Viva Connections. Try out Viva Connections today and start exploring how you can stay up to date and complete key actions all from one place right within Teams. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on what's new and explore all the ways you can use Microsoft Teams.